Hello, today, my friends. We are looking at this old catalog again. Well, this is the Montgomery Ward catalog from spring summer 1956. So, 70 years ago. Now, I gotta tell you a secret about this. You can see that I'm looking at this for a long time. This is in Spanish, and I didn't realize that. So I'm like, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to just trust the process here. So I turn to the page and I find what we're going to, your guess is as good as mine as to what I'm looking up. So I decided to do a random page and see what things cost back in the day. I'm not going to take a whole lot of your time. I just thought this would be a fun a little thing to share with everybody. So here we are. These go in your bathroom. We have clothes hampers and scales and all sorts of different things that you would use in your bathroom back in the day. So I just decided to choose some random things to show you, 3 on this page. So what I'll do is I will choose and then I will read what it is. The black scales. How much is that? And what does it say? Deco bath scale designed with level rotating, magnify the dial everyone can read. Fits into low places, only 2 inches high overall. Sturdy steel body with baked on enamel, finished in choice of colors listed above. Harmonizing vinyl plastic tile platform. Chromed dial head is flush to edge. Hardened steel parts are fully enclosed against dust and moisture. Weighs up to 250 pounds by 1 pound graduations. About 9.5 by 11 by 2 inches high. Postpaid. Lovely addition to any bath. Steak color. $7.95. The next item that I chose was this blue hamper. I just tried to go with maybe one that would have been purchased a lot to let us know how much that would cost. Ward's Woven Fiber Hamper, $6.89. A sturdy, nicely finished, large hamper at a low budget price. Of fine quality, generous in size for all your laundry needs. Will be an attractive, neat addition to your bathroom. Close woven, tough fiber body is self-ventilating, finished in gleaming, baked on enamel that won't chip or peel. So easy to keep clean. Just wipe with a damp cloth. Strong, smoothly sanded wood corner posts and frame. Pyrolin plastic overlay on hinged wood cover. Choice of 3 colors, solid rose, blue, or white with black lid. Large upright, 20 by 12 by 26 inches. Shipping weight, 11 pounds. $6.89. Ward's guarantee complete satisfaction or your money back. And the very last one I chose was the mats that you put in the bottom of your bathtub to keep you from slipping in the shower. And how much was that back in the day? 70 years ago. How much did it cost? Shower stall mat, heavy rubber, corrugated surface for safety, about 28 inches square. State color green or marble black. Shipping weight 4 pounds, $2.69. Thank you so much for spending some time with me here at Willow and Hearth. By the way, my name is Pamela, just in case you were curious. Thanks for spending time with me and looking at this old catalog. If you're curious about what something cost 70 years ago, just put it in the comments below and I'll see if I can find it for you, okay? Have an amazing day. All the very best to you. Ta-ra.